How to make money using Perplexity.ea. So imagine having a tool that does the heavy lifting for you, researching content creation and even automating tasks so you can focus on what really matters, making money. With the Perplexity.ea, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating educational content, Perplexity.ea is your secret weapon. Learn how to turn EA into a passive income machine today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money from Perplexity.ea. So here we have the home page. So all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into Perplexity.ea. So this is the home page. We have here various things. So for example, let's know how it works. So let's ask about something, how you can earn money on Perplexity. As you can see, here we have your answer. Here are some ways to earn money using Perplexity.ea. We have here proofreading and editing here, creating content, offering EA writing services, affiliate marketing, and here we have the key that provide value to clients, and we have here some questions related with the same subject or the same question that we ask about it. We have here what are the best ways to monetize Perplexity for beginners, so you can just click over the one you want and you can just know more about it. Then we have here how can I use Perplexity to create content for publishing, and also here we have images, videos, generate images. We have here some videos showing how you can earn money using Perplexity, and that's it. So what is Perplexity? Perplexity.ea is a tool designed to provide users with answers and information by leveraging AI and data from the web. It functions similarly to a search engine, but incorporates advanced AI capabilities to offer more refined and contextually relevant responses. So first of all, we have here Perplexity adds for free. Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited processors, upgraded unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. We have here start for free, no credit card needed, so it's free forever. Continue with free, unlimited quick searches. We have 5 pro searches per day. Standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality. We have also here create a profile to personalize your answers and other things. Also we have also here discover, and we have library, how you can earn money on Perplexity, how you can earn money on Perplexity also here, and just read it to more understand. We have here other. So we have here some benefits of Perplexity. So it's free speed and efficiently, quickly processes and summarizes large amount of data, accurate information retrieval also, and it's also user friendly and available for 7 hours per day. Also versatility and consistent quality, tool integration, learning capability, and other things also. So it's very helpful and useful for us. You can just start it with it. Also we have here choose your niche, like all writing, academic, video, math, social, and we have here also attach here with videos or something. You can click over here to get pro, and we have also top cookbooks in 2024, cost to stock price analysis, highest. So we have your thumbnails here. Right now I will give you an example for each one how you can earn money using Perplexity. So the first one we have here content creation. You can just start a YouTube channel where you demonstrate how to use Perplexity to qualify, to quickly find and summarize research papers. Also monetize through ads and sponsored videos. You could also start a blog where you share EA tool tutorials and use affiliate links to EA tools or related products to generate income. And the second one, we have freelance work. For example, you offer a service on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to write articles or conduct research using Perplexity. For instance, you could use Perplexity to quickly gather and synthesize information on a specific topic, providing high quality content faster than traditional methods. And the third one, we have consulting. For example, as a consultant, you help small businesses integrate Perplexity into their workflow. For example, you could advise a marketing team on how to use Perplexity to research competitors, stay updated on industry trends, or generate content ideas efficiently. Then the fourth one, we have teaching. For example, you create an online course on Udemy titled Mastering AI Tools for Efficient Research and Writing. In this course, you teach students how to use Perplexity for tasks like academic research, content creation, or data analysis. Charge a fee for the course and a revenue based on enrollment. And then we have the fifth one, it's affiliate marketing. So you write a detailed blog post on the best EA tools for content creators, including Perplexity. Use affiliate links in the post so when readers purchase or sign up for the tools through your links, you earn a commission. Promote this blog post through social media and email newsletter to drive traffic. Then we have the sixth one, we have it's automation services. It's the last one. So you can just offer a service where we set up automated workflows using Perplexity for businesses. For example, create a system that automatically gathers and summarizes daily industry news for executives. Charge a setup fee and possibly a monthly maintenance fee for this service. And there we have my account in settings. We have here a various things, you can just read it to more understand. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is write your email address in perplexity.ea in this website, then you link with your email address by writing your code is already sent and your email, and here we go, you find your account and you start with Perplexity. So Perplexity.ea offers various opportunities to generate income, whether through automated content creation, affiliate marketing, or educational resources. Leveraging its capabilities, you can streamline tasks, attract traffic, and ultimately build passive income streams. With the right strategies, Perplexity.ea can become a powerful tool in your money-making toolkit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.